a super cute and juicy watermelon. And guess what? Our watermelon will come to life to talk to us. Let's get started. Watermelons are not just yummy, they're also great for practicing circles and colors. Watermelons are grown in 96 countries. They're a global favorite. Did you know that the watermelon is technically a berry? Yes, I was surprised too. Watermelon is packed with vitamins, especially vitamin A and C, good for our eyes and skin. Look, the watermelon has opened its eyes.
Hi everyone!
Watermelons are often part of summer picnics because they're refreshing and delicious. Excellent! We're all done with the drawing. Doesn't our watermelon look amazing? It's time to make it even more special with colors. Grab your crayons, markers, or pencils, and let's start coloring our watermelon to make it juicy and bright. Watermelons are 92% water, making them a great snack on a hot day. They come in more than 1,200 different varieties around the world.
Hello Pinky friends! Do you like how we drew me? I think I look adorable and round.
You look super yummy. Kids, what do you think of our watermelon? Raise your hand if you love watermelon. If you had fun today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new drawing fun.
I can't wait to be bright and colorful.
Yes, it's going to look amazing with all those colors. Are you excited to color too?
Are you having fun drawing with us? I bet your watermelon looks amazing too.
I'm sure it does. Everyone, are you enjoying yourself so far? Give us a big smile if you are.
you know how heavy I am? Guess how big watermelons can get.
They can get super huge. Kids, how big do you think a watermelon can grow?
Have you ever eaten a yellow watermelon? They're super sweet.
That's right. Have you tried yellow watermelons? Raise your hand if you have.
I feel so refreshing to look at. What's your favorite summer snack?
Oh, I love watermelon during summer. What do you love to eat when it's sunny?
Did you like the colors we used for my green skin? What's your favorite fruit color?
I think your colors are super fresh. Kids, do you like the colors we used? Tell us.
I hope you're having as much fun as I am.
Great job, everyone! Our watermelon looks incredible. I bet they're the juiciest in the whole world. Don't forget to share your artwork. See you next time, Pinky Artists!